Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Chart supposes on Monday the 11th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now. We're basically still in this range, aren't we? This tight band here for the past sort of week and a half, really, between sort of 113.30, although you did get a slight dip to 13.25, but 13.30 really towards that sort of top of the band, which comes in sort of 14.40 area. 14.53 was the absolute high. But there's a very, as I said, a very tight trading band. You've got long tails and small bodies in these candlesticks, very neutral, very much uncertain as to exactly the direction of the potential breakout that we're going to see. We had that positive candle on Friday. Initially today we had a bit of a poke to the upside again. That sort of failed and fallen over. And the thing that concerns me about this chart continues to be this RSI up around 70. That is, for me, being someone who's sort of continues to look for this to be a range play, that is a concern, because every time it gets towards 70, I think that's an opportunity to sort of take a bit of the foot off the pedal and unwind the move. And I think that that's ultimately what you're probably going to see. I think this is likely to still roll over, although you're still seeing fairly positive outlook on these momentum indicators. Not really any sign of the correction yet. Obviously, we're still in this range, but I think it's going to continue to be a range play, and it's going to pull back. And just in the European session today, we've seen the sort of selling pressure just coming back a little bit, not too much, but you're still basically neutral on this sort of 6-8 day trading range that we've got going on here. No real direction whatsoever. You've got the momentum indicator on the hourly chart completely utterly neutral. Again, you had the MACD lines crossing over negative, so maybe you'll sort of pull back towards the lows of the band again, but again, we haven't really had any indication that we're going to get any decisive breakout either way yet. It's just that I still am a little bit concerned on a longer term basis that I think there's a lot of overhead supply, not too much upside potential for this move. RSI up around 70, rolling over. That suggests to me that the chances are it's going to have some sort of retracement at some stage. But in the meantime, we've got to really wait and see how this range plays out. But it's very difficult, or very little real indication to show either way which way we're going to go. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later, I think.